Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another outdoor cooking. It is Friday. Let's cook some kidney with white rice. And I clean my kidney, cut the white fat out of the center, cut them in small pieces, season them ahead of time overnight, let them marinate in my fridge. You guys know how I do. And we're outside cooking. In my Dutch pot I have my oil with some garlic, and I'm gonna let this fry, and I'm gonna keep stirring it because I don't want them to fry crisp. I just want them to have a little brown to them, but not drying them out. And I'm just going to keep stirring just to make sure that all of them is cooking and getting a little brown to them. Kidney is good with anything. I like mine with white rice, I like mine with roast breadfruit, I like mine with fried dumplings, I like mine with boiled banana. But today we're doing some with white rice. And as you guys can see, I have my Scotch bonnet pepper for flavor. And I'm trying to remove some of the garlic pieces so they're not mashed out in my gravy, because I don't like to taste garlic while I'm eating my food. I'm gonna cover this and let it cook. Come back, stir it a little bit more. And while I'm stirring, I'm scraping that nice goodness from the bottom. That's gonna help with my gravy. I'm gonna add a little bit of water because it's drying down a little and I don't want it to burn. So I'm adding some water to help to tenderize it and also to make that gravy. So I'm scraping from the bottom, and that's gonna help to thicken my gravy and give my gravy that nice flavor that it needs. And the outdoor cooking, guys, I'm enjoying it so much. And this is getting to the brownness that I want. I'm gonna add some more water so we could cook some more. It's still a little bit on the tough side, so I want to make sure that it's nice and tender. And I removed some of the oil because it was too much oil to make my gravies, so I removed some of the oil and just leave just enough to make my gravy. The kidney is cooked, so I'm gonna add my seasoning: onions, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, tomato, so I'm giving it a quick stir, and then I'm gonna add the water to make my gravy. And all that nice goodness from the bottom of my Dutch pot is gonna loosen and help to thicken my gravy. I'm gonna remove the Scotch bonnet pepper because it burst, and I already had seasoned it with Scotch bonnet pepper. And I like my kidney spicy. Kidney is one of those meat that you want a lot of pepper on. Again, your preference. You could add more pepper, you could add less pepper, depending on your taste buds for pepper. Just gonna let it simmer a little bit more. All right, and our kidney is ready. Plating my rice. And in the description, I'm going to put the video to my white rice. You guys could go ahead and watch that if you'd like to. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And here we go, guys. Dinner is ready. It's Friday, doing something simple. This is it right here. End of the week. Let's eat. All right, guys, see you on my next video. Peace. Cheers.